I have nothing much to do, so I was thinking what I should post in YouTube channel for you guys. So I thought of making vermicelli upma for you guys. Usually a lot of people have an issue when they make it, it becomes like a paste. So I will help you guys to make the tastiest vermicelli upma. So what you have to do is first put little ghee and then roast vermicelli, a cup of vermicelli in ghee until it becomes like a golden color, the goldish color. Until then, please roast it in ghee. So this is how it should look. It should look goldish color, and then boil water, approximately 2 or 2.5 cups of water separately, and then pour the boiled water in this vermicelli and just boil vermicelli for approximately 2 minutes. You will see it becomes little smooth, and then turn off the stove. So you have to boil water separately, okay, and then put the boiled water in the roasted vermicelli. Also roast peanuts separately. You can roast them until they are little brownish, but make sure you don't burn them. You don't have to peel the skin as well. I actually forgot to mention that you have to drain water from the vermicelli after 2 minutes. You boil water and vermicelli together. Once you drain the water, put the vermicelli to cool down in the room temperature. And meanwhile, what you do is use the same pan, put little ghee or oil, and use some jeera and mustard seeds, and also put some curry leaves. Please be a little careful. And once you roast the curry leaves, you have to also put onion and mirchi, green chilies. Cut them in fine pieces and put them in the pan, and roast them until onion becomes little goldish color. So I have put some green chilies also here, and I will roast the onion and chili. So you have to wait until onion becomes little goldish color, and then you can proceed further. This you can use a lot of vegetables. I have used carrot and mutton. You can also use potato or beetroot or capsicum as well. So basically I have roasted them slightly after the onion became goldish color, and then I have put the vermicelli that I have put it to cool down in the room temperature. See, you can see the vermicelli how it looks. It looks so fine, right? It doesn't it is not mashed up completely, because I have drained the water from the vermicelli and then I've left it to cool down. So this is how it looks, and finally you can put the roasted peanuts on top, and then again leave it like 2 to 3 minutes to get it steamed, and then turn off the stove. See how beautiful it looks. Please add haldi and salt in the vegetable mix, do not forget.